Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Stimulate Haircare product line. I'm going to use the products to achieve this moisturized and shiny twist up. So let's get started. So this is what my hair is looking like before I've done anything to it. And now I'm going to wash my hair with only water off camera so I can show you guys the full process using the wash day products. Today I'm going to be using 4 products from Stimulate Haircare. I'm going to use the shampoo, the conditioner, the daily moisturizer, and the oil. First, I'm sectioning my hair into 4 sections and wetting the section I'm going to start with. Now I'm going in with the moisturizing and detangling shampoo. I really like that this shampoo smells really fresh and helps me detangle my hair. My hair also feels really clean but not stripped. I also love that this shampoo is so moisturizing and detangling that I can even use a wide tooth comb on my hair while the shampoo is in my hair. Now, off camera, I'm going to wash the shampoo out of my hair. Now I'm going to be using the moisturizing and detangling conditioner. This is a 3-in-1 conditioner that can be used as a pre-poo, a rinse out, or a leave-in conditioner. And today I'm going to be using it as a leave-in. Before I start my twist out, I'm going to apply the conditioner all over my hair. I'm doing this so that the sections I get to last don't get too dried out before I get to them. Now, for each section, I'm going to add in the daily moisturizer. When I opened the daily moisturizer, I was so surprised because it smelled so amazing. And here I am so happy because as soon as I put the product in my hair, it just melted into my hair. Now after the moisturizer is worked into my hair, I'm going to go in with the Daily Growth Oil. This oil smells so fresh, and as soon as I added it in, it really helped to seal the moisture from the conditioner and the moisturizer. To protect my ends, I also added some oil to the ends of my hair. And also to promote growth, I added some of the oil directly on my scalp. Now I'm going to begin flat twisting my hair downward. First, in each hand, I grab a piece of hair between my thumb and pointer finger. Then I cross the pieces in each hand over each other and put each of them into the opposite hand. While holding the pieces of hair, I grab 2 new pieces of hair at my scalp. Then I repeat the process of crossing the pieces over into the opposite hand and grabbing new pieces of hair at the root until I get all the way down to the bottom of my hair. Then I do a normal 2-strand twist until I get to the bottom of the section. Next, I twist the entire twist to tighten it, and then Bantu knot the twist. When doing a Bantu knot, it's really important not to pull too much on the end of the twist because this can break your hair off and damage your ends. Once I finish the Bantu knot, I also always twist the Bantu knot in the opposite direction so that the Bantu knot isn't too tight. Now I'm going to flat twist and Bantu knot the rest of my hair. In total, I'm going to have 4 on each side of my head and 8 in total. Now it's the next morning and it's time to take my hair down. I'm going to put a small amount of the oil on my hands to help me take the twist down. This will prevent my hair from getting too frizzy as I take it down. It's also very important to be patient and gentle when taking your hair out of the twists, and to prevent tangling your hair when taking the twist down, it's important to unravel the bottom of the twist first. And this is the final result. Now I'm just going to shake my hair out and separate some more of the twists. I love how moisturized and shiny my hair is, and I'm really happy with how these products help me detangle my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried Stimulate Hair Care. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!